What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing the wheels and tires onto my 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL. So if you guys are interested, make sure to stay tuned. And this that I'm going to be installing onto the Jeep is also available for your Tacoma. So if you guys do have a Tacoma and want to get it, check out the description box below. But as you can tell, right behind me, I am right here at Aero Tire and Wheel. So a big shout out to them for doing the installation today. It's going to look freaking awesome at the end. But if you guys do want to check them out, make sure to check out the description box below. I'll make sure to leave all their information there. So they are in the Fontana, California area, just in case you guys are curious. So let's go ahead and give you guys a little overview of how the Jeep looks right now, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Just to show you guys how it looks before. So as you can tell, the wheel gap and the wheel gap there. So essentially adding the 35s, it should give us another inch of clearance. So that way when we are off-road, we shouldn't hit anything underneath. So let me go ahead and give you guys a front perspective just to give you guys an idea. So as you can tell, these tires are pretty skinny. I mean, they are 33-inch tires, but if you ever put a 33-inch tire next to a 35, you guys can tell the huge difference. So there it is, you guys, just to give you guys an idea. So that's going to actually widen out the tire pattern as well. So we should be stanced out a little bit more. So same thing, that's going to help us out off-road because we are going to have a little bit more traction as far as a wider tire. So there it is. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So here we are. So just to give you guys an idea, and then let's go ahead and look off to the back side now, just to kind of give you guys an idea there as well. So looking back here, same thing, it's going to be like nice and wide. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but the tires actually tucked inside the fender. So once we install these brand new tires, it should stick out a little bit more. So that's going to look freaking awesome. So there it is. Alright, so right now, of course, we just took the wheels off. So right now we're going to go ahead and mount the brand new tires, and we're going to be mounting the brand new rims as well. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a side-by-side comparison. So the one right here, it is going to be the stock factory Jeep wheels. The ones on this side is going to be the brand new ones from RockTrix. A big shout out to them on this. Overall, it looks awesome. Let's go ahead and give you guys the side-by-side comparison as far as tires now. So over here, we do have the 285 7017 Toyo Open Country RTs. Over here, we're going to have the 315 7017 from Toyo Open Country. These are empties. So this is more of equivalent of a 34.9-inch tire, roughly around there. As you guys can tell, they do look a little bit dirty. Reason why is I ended up putting the brand new 35-inch tires on the Tacoma, and we ended up taking the old tires off my Tacoma and put them on this one. So it's still a pretty big tire overall from what I had. One thing I did want to let you guys know, someone is going to ask, it's going to be a 14 by 1.5-inch lug. You do need to get some brand new lugs because the factory ones that are on the Jeep right now are not going to fit the brand new wheels. So that's one thing you do need to get. I found these for about 28 bucks on Amazon, so go ahead and get those if you do want them. They'll also be in the description box below. Alright, you guys, so now that we finished up the installation, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Before that though, make sure to check out Aero Tire and Wheel. They'll be in the description box below. If you guys do end up coming for anything, make sure to let them know I sent you. No matter what it is, they also do auto repair here as well, alignments and many other little things. So if you guys do need anything, they are in Fontana, California, and they will hook you guys up. They will give you guys a great price, so make sure to check them out. Another thing, they are super quick, and we also did my Tacoma. We didn't only do the Jeep. So now let's go ahead and stop talking and just show you guys how it looks. All right, you guys, so now that I gave you a preview at the tire shop, now we're right here at Cleghorn. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a nice clean look of how the wheels look when they're installed. Of course, like I had said from the beginning of this video, these are RockTrix 17x9 -12 offset. So like I had said from the beginning, if you guys do want to give them a shot as well, make sure to check out the description box below. They'll be there. You guys are going to trip out on the price. I'm not going to lie. The price is actually crazy affordable. So let's go ahead and now stop talking and show you guys how it looks. So one thing, like I was saying from the beginning, I wanted it to poke out, and if you guys can see right here, it does poke out now. So it looks freaking awesome overall. Before, the tire was actually inside and it didn't really look that good, so now it does. So they give you like that nice clean bead lock look. It looks freaking awesome overall, and check it out, you guys. I mean, there it is. And then of course there is the wheel gap. I know I showed you guys the before, so here is the after. So I wish I would have measured it out, but overall, like I had said, putting this wheel and tire setup, it gives me another inch more of clearance. But check it out, you guys, it looks freaking good. All right, you guys, so of course, if you guys did enjoy today's video, don't forget to please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So of course, if you guys do want to get this wheel and tire combo package, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. Now, don't forget, if you guys do want to get your guys' tires installed, or any tire alignments or anything like that, make sure to check out the description as well. A big shout out to Aero Tire and Wheel for doing this for me. It looks freaking awesome now.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.